The work here is all custom, so it's kind of challenging.
Good place to work for, good company, great people.
I love the place. I love it.
I feel like it's home away from home. It feels like family.
Cleaning Technologies Group is the world leader in aqueous parts washers, with experience providing parts washers to industrial and precision parts manufacturers for over 100 years. CTG consists of 4 divisions, 3 located in the United States. Ransohoff and Cortex are in Cincinnati, Ohio, with Blackstone Nay Ultrasonics in Jamestown, New York, and CTG Asia in Suzhou, China. We provide parts washers of various designs, including ultrasonic cleaning systems, spray washers, and immersion cleaning systems, as both pre-engineered platform products and custom designs. We've had experience with nearly every kind of parts cleaning application and can provide our customers with the latest cleaning technology available. The culture at CTG is one of care, passion for what we do, diversity, and inclusion. Here's a few words about culture from CEO Barney Bossie Jr.
CTG has grown from the small business to where we are today. We strive to maintain those small business values. Everyone is important at CTG. Therefore, I do feel like CTG is family. We partner with our customers to be successful and allow them to be successful. Our company vision is to be our customer's first choice.
We strive to create a working environment that is supportive of our associates' health and quality of life.
CTG offers very competitive compensation as well as a benefits-rich package to include medical, dental, and vision, employer-provided short-term and long-term disability, employer-provided group life, voluntary life, and 401k. We also offer tuition reimbursement for continued education.
It's a place for a career, not just a job. Ransohoff machines are built by Ransohoff, a division of Cleaning Technologies Group. Founded in 1916 by Nathan Ransohoff in Hamilton, Ohio, Ransohoff has provided part cleaning systems to some of the world's leading manufacturers like GM, Milwaukee Tools, and Boeing. From small footprint, single part cleaning machines to massive conveyor systems for large parts like EV car batteries, Ransohoff has maintained its leadership position for over 100 years. Ransohoff is located 20 miles north of downtown Cincinnati, home to the Bengals, Cincinnati Reds, FC Cincinnati, and great college sports. Cincinnati also has great schools and wonderful neighborhoods. It's a great place to raise a family.
Many people at CTG have been here for the entirety of their professional careers. We are always looking for qualified candidates with experience and backgrounds in manufacturing, shipping and receiving, accounting, administration, engineering, sales, and IT.
We also need master builders as business continues to grow. Check our website for current available positions. Working for Ransohoff means regular and flexible hours with opportunities for advancement and overtime. The culture here at Ransohoff is one of integrity and personal responsibility. Because of this priority, our associates are able to work together in ways that are healthy, efficient, and fun. And because we're a global leader in part cleaning systems, we offer a highly stable work environment with good pay and excellent benefits. If all this sounds good to you, please contact us at hr@ctgclean.com or give us a call at 513-870-0100.
CTG has grown from a group of companies that were smaller and family-oriented. We strive to continue that today. We believe that family orientation provides a positive atmosphere and opportunity for growth.